Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block third-party cookies on the Google Chrome app on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the browser and go down and select the settings icon. And then scroll down underneath Advanced and select the Site Settings tile. And then go down once more underneath the Content section where it says Third-Party Cookies. Select that. So if you want to block third-party cookies, you can select the third option here to block third-party cookies. If you want to allow certain site exclusions to this policy, you can add exceptions by selecting this final option at the bottom that is only visible when third-party cookies are blocked. You just would go ahead and copy and paste the address in here or type it in manually. Doesn't really matter. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.